Hi, this is VC Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to enable data saver on Snapchat. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. Snapchat is a social media application. It allows a user to share moments with friends and followers. One can share picture and video with his or her friend on the application. It allows a user to connect with other user and share media through an active internet connection. When you want to upload or download a story on Snapchat, it uses mobile data. Snapchat also gives an option to its user to save data while enjoying the application at the same time. Data saver mode or a travel mode reduce Snapchat's mobile data usage. On my previous video, I've shown you how to turn on the data saver on your Snapchat. Now, what if you want to turn this off? That's a simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Snapchat. Now you can go to settings by tap on the upper right corner here. Tap on the upper right corner here on the settings in here. You can just scroll down. On privacy control section, there is an option data saver. You can just tap on that. As you can see in here, my data saver is on. You can disable this feature by uncheck listening. So now you have turned off the data saver on your Snapchat. So you don't need to manually load content like lenses and snaps on your Snapchat. So simple, right? So that is how to disable data saver on Snapchat. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.